The popular Reloop Mixon 4 DJ controller is upgraded and modernized with the release of the Mixon 8 Pro by the Reloop company. The controller supports both Algorithm DJ Pro AI and Serato DJ Pro. Moreover, the Mixon 8 Pro supports Serato DJ, DVS, and may be used as a standalone mixer, allowing users to mix music from analog sources like CD players, multimedia players, and turntables. Each jog wheel has a display that shows BPM, play position, remaining or elapsed playing time, pitch range, and other information. To have access to an unlimited music library, the program may be integrated with streaming services like Tidal, SoundCloud, BeatSource, and Beatport. With the gunmetal touch-sensitive jog wheels, the music playing may be more precisely controlled, thanks to the upgraded jogwheel design. The new dynamic on jog displays have greatly improved DJ's ability to stay informed about the tracks, play position, and remaining or elapsed playing time of the track, including the virtual needle display. The Mixon 8 Pro is the first device on the market to feature 4 powerful, integrated FX paddles that enable direct control of software effects. Each channel also has a 3-band EQ and unique sound filters to further enhance sound manipulation. Turntables or media players may be connected in a variety of ways to the robust standalone mixer's independent level meters, enabling simultaneous usage of digital and analog sources. The 2 microphone inputs with tall-cover functionality may be quickly routed to the mixer channels, and each one's EQ settings can be changed separately. The Mixon 8 Pro's dual USB audio interface makes it simple to connect 2 computers or an iPad. This facilitates a completely flawless changeover between DJs. For the latest Apple MacBooks and iPads, the Mixon 8 Pro offers USB-C device support. To get the best audio quality and lowest latency, it uses 24-bit characteristics. You can easily access 8 color-coded performance modes through the Mixon 8 Pro's spacious performance area. Many software-only features are also included, as well as all the equipment you need to maximize your mixing, such as hot cue, loop roll, saved loop, sampler, pitch play, saved flip, slicer, scratch bank, looper mode, neural mix mode, and touch FX. 30 by 30 mm 16 large drum pads have eye-catching, multicolored backlit LEDs. They adjust to the performance style you choose, and the velocity-sensitive technology enables various expressiveness levels. The Reloop Mixon 8 Pro offers the most seamless software integration and communication. Your choice of Serato DJ Pro or Algorithm DJ Pro AI is immediately unlocked, thanks to its plug-and-play technology. You can easily get started with up to 4 decks at the same time. You have the freedom to mix and match various platforms, devices, and applications with ease, thanks to its multi-platform compatibility. Exclusive performance modes such as Scratch Bank support for Serato to rapidly access scratch tools are included in the industry-leading software. Moreover, DJ Pro AI uses neural mix technology to isolate instruments, drums, and vocals in real time. As a replacement for the well-liked Mixon 4, the new Mixon 8 Pro was redesigned to accommodate the digital vinyl system, incorporating turntables and enabling complete hands-on control of your music via digital vinyl. Both software solutions provide immediate access to stream and mix with more than 30 million tracks in real time, thanks to integration of well-known streaming services like Tidal, SoundCloud, Beatport, and BeatSource. With ultra-glide high-resolution faders and a simple club-ready architecture, Mixon 8 enables precise tempo adjustments for smooth blends. The new sophisticated loop section has a shift layer and LED bar to represent the current loop duration, which can be quickly trimmed in half or twice through the dedicated control buttons, in addition to a completely optimized crossfader for quick and sharp cuts. There are countless live remix possibilities while slip mode is activated, since the track that is playing may be manipulated with loops or scratches without disrupting the music's flow. Moreover, to keep you informed throughout the mix, each deck has time mode buttons that allow you to simply switch between elapsed and remaining track time. Last but not least, The Mixon 8 Pro combines a robust design with metal panels, an elegant finish, and a reconfigured layout for ergonomic workflows. The brand new metallic touch transport controllers also provide better responsiveness and haptics. Users of the DJ Pro AI may even house an iPhone or iPad Pro in the specific docking slot at the top of the device. So guys, this was our complete review of Reloop Mixon 8 Pro. Hope you found the video informative, and if you did, please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.